What would happen if you tracked every single dollar you spent on your credit card for 30 days? Not just the big purchases, not just rent, not just groceries, I mean everything. Coffee, subscriptions, random Amazon orders at 1 a.m., food delivery when you're too tired to cook, all of it. So I decided to do exactly that. For 30 days, I tracked every credit card transaction. No excuses, no guessing, just real numbers. And what I found honestly shocked me. I wasn't in massive debt. I wasn't in financial crisis. But I had this constant feeling that my money was disappearing. At the end of every month, I'd look at my balance and think, wait, where did it all go? Credit cards make spending painless. You tap, you swipe, you click, done. There's no physical cash leaving your hand, no emotional friction. So I wanted clarity. I wanted to see the truth. I used a simple spreadsheet. Every time I made a purchase, I logged the date, the amount, what it was for, and most importantly, why I bought it. Yes, why? Because I didn't just want to track spending. I wanted to track behavior, and I categorized everything into essentials, lifestyle, impulse, subscriptions, food and dining. Simple system, brutally honest results. The first week, I felt great. Groceries, gas, a few normal purchases, nothing crazy. But then I totaled the week, and I realized I had spent over $120 just on eating out. Coffee, lunch, late night snacks, delivery fees, tips. It didn't feel like much at the time. But seeing it all together, that hit different. Week 2 was where things got uncomfortable. Subscriptions. I had Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, Adobe, a cloud storage service, a fitness app. Individually, they felt cheap. $9.99, $12.99, $49.99, but combined, over $85 per month. And here's the worst part. I wasn't even actively using half of them. Week 3 revealed something bigger. I wasn't just spending money. I was spending based on emotion. Bad day, order food. Bored, online shopping. Stressed, treat yourself. I noticed a pattern. Most of my impulse purchases happened late at night. And most of them were things I didn't even remember buying a week later. That was uncomfortable to admit.